Okay, so for this question, this is basically to check whether the following is an increasing or decreasing function. So what I want to do is we want to check the dy/dx, and we look at whether the dy/dx is positive or negative. So we know that when we are looking at increasing function or decreasing function, one of the things that we want to do is to look at the sign or the positivity or negativity of the dy/dx. Okay, so first let's look at y equals to tangent x, and if we differentiate tangent x, so dy/dx that will be equals to secant square x. And one of the things you do notice about secant square x is that secant square x, because it's a square function, so when you square it, it will always be non-negative, and you can see that this is always more than 0. All right, not only irregardless of interval, except for the zeros of cosine. Other than that, the 0 are actually more than 0 for x to be between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. Alright, so that does it for question A. So let's look at B. So if you look at B, then this is y equals to 1 over 1 plus e power x. And the next thing we want to do is also, we want to check the dy/dx. So after you check the dy/dx, first of all, let's find the dy/dx. Let me write this as in index form, so it's easier for me to differentiate. So I have 1 plus e x to the power negative 1, and from here bring the power in front, power drops by 1, and following which I differentiate the inside, okay, by doing chain rule, and I have e to the power of x outside. Okay, this simplifies to negative ex over 1 plus ex to the power of 2, and you can indeed see that because ex is always positive, now below the denominator is a square function. Now the denominator is 1 plus ex, okay, the whole brackets to the power of 2, and this is also positive for all x. Now the entire fraction here is positive, so what does it say is you see that now negative of a positive function, well, basically this will be is less than 0, right, for all x. Okay, so we can conclude that A is increasing, this is increasing, and therefore for B it is decreasing. Okay, thank you.